Welcome to Driving with Christian. I am Christian Evans. In today's video, I will be talking about how to get Uber passengers to take the surge ride. Thank you for clicking on today's video. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification button. That way you will be notified every time I upload a new video. How to get Uber passengers to take the surge ride. This is not anything. In fact, this is just a theory of mine. This is just something that I've been thinking about for a while, and it pretty much came from a conversation that I was having with a fellow Uber driver in a Facebook group. Shout out to Frank. He has his own YouTube channel. I believe it's AutoCam. I'll pretty much put the description, I'll put the link in the description box below. But he made a great point. He said that surge rides, or when a surge pops up, it slows down service. And I understood that. It made more sense, because you ever been in a surge zone and all of a sudden you're just sitting there. You're just sitting there, or you get pinged 10 minutes outside the surge, 12 minutes outside the surge, because you're just waiting on hopefully a double or triple fare ride that may not come. There's been times where I'm driving and I'm looking on my map and there's no surge, and all of a sudden I get a surge hit from out of nowhere. It's just one of those things to where you can't really get a good hold on it. So I was thinking, I'm like, what would be the best way to get a passenger to take a surge ride? My theory is, I believe in the Rider app. It should give comparative prices, right? So let's say your average, say 3-mile trip, right? 3 to 5 mile trip is $7 for the passenger, right? So that's a normal, $7 for a passenger. So let's just say a surge, right? Let's say like a 1.5, or let's say a 2.0, whatever. That may only add maybe $2.50 to that ride for the passenger. So I believe on one side, when it's booked, it should say, this is the normal price. And since, it's in a surge or fares are high, since that what pops up on the app, just say now this ride is, $10.50 or $11. I believe once a passenger sees that difference, they will be more educated to make a financial decision, versus it's just saying, oh, fares are high, it's busy out. That's a lot of times what the app says. I look on the app, on the Rider app, when there's a surge, just to see what prices are, or just to see what a passenger sees. And it says prices are high, or it's busy out, prices are high, and it's just a price. Now, some passengers know exactly what the price is from going from point A to point B, because they're regulars. They know, their average drive from home to work is X amount of dollars. So they may not need that comparative price. But what happens to the people that do? They're first-time riders, or people are going to another destination for the first time. They may not know that exact price. I believe giving the passenger that amount of information is valuable, and hopefully they can make a better decision on whether or not to take the surge ride or not to take it. There's no guarantee that the price will drop within 15 minutes or 20 minutes, or however, the price may go up. And I believe that should be listed in the app as well. It may say, these are the prices, this is the regular price, this is the surge price, what you will pay for the surge price, and prices may or may not go back up, may or may not go down within the next 10 to 15 minutes. Therefore, they're put into a situation now, a normal $7 ride that is $11. Do you really want to wait 15 minutes or 20 minutes to save, $3 or $4, because a lot of times they may not know that this is in a more expensive price, or they may not know it's not that big of a difference as far as from a normal price. So I believe, again, just giving passengers that amount of financial information, that way they can make a better decision, and hopefully they'll be able to make that decision to take the surge ride. Let me know what you think about this theory. I could be on, I could be off, but once again, shout out to Frank for helping my wheels turn and understanding the surge rides, and how that does slow down business. As I've been driving for over a year and a half right now, it's I see a surge zone, and I don't really pay attention to it. Every now and then I may kind of ride outside of it, but not so much to be so dependent on it to where I'm turning down every ride that isn't a surge ride, because that'll slow you down. Going to acceptance rates and how Uber dispatches you based on acceptance rates and everything like that. I'm all about making sure I get my rides quick and kind of going about my day. But I end the video off like this. Thank you for taking time out to watch this video. Have fun, get your money. Peace out.